Up first this evening, the government has announced that schools will remain closed until the new school year, which starts in September.
That update was provided during a press briefing at the Office of the Prime Minister that is currently underway.
Now, plans were initially announced for schools to remain closed until the end of May. But according to the Minister with responsibility for education, Carl Samuda, classes will continue until July.
We had planned for schools to physically reopen in June 1. This will not happen, Prime Minister. Online and distance learning will continue until July the 3rd. Schools will not physically reopen until the next school year beginning on September the 7th, 2020. There will be a process of assessment and learning for the first 20 days after school reopens, so that we can get a good feel for the level at which each child is, because they have been denied, many of them, an opportunity to experience the classroom environment. So we have to reintegrate them, in a sense, re-energize them, make them as enthusiastic about school as they were before this outbreak. The examinations that usually at this time of the year determines the placement of students from grade 6 into high school, grade 7, we will use, instead of the PEP in its classical sense, we will use aspects of it to determine how to place the children. We will use grade 4 numeracy and literacy exams done in 2018. Grade 5 performance task, which comprises maths, English, arts, social studies, and sciences, which was done in 2019. We will, in addition, use the results of the grade 6 ability test done in February 2020. And we will use these grades to determine the placement at the secondary level.